I the home of tricks. Sovereign claim platform a platform a senior and as you say air trend air system no mu amount for air light up e di claim USDT. Na platform a memo code a bind there and no crab 20 USDT. Aside that no the marketing kiti bi mu ho no ma wo ya and so betumi increase usika no. Na bibia e very simple. Wo person the platform no edi agora link na e description section honom. Wo boso pe e do beba page bi ti na we scroll up down into Google Play and a web app. Near simple near Google Play. Oboswa a robot Play Store. No about install no so. We are no launch it. Uni account or ha into able create account no so. Nti we say na say o country any ha na select order no. No fill information na e wa say no. Very easy. Or see full legal name, email, invitation code. Na invitation code no na o bind there ema sa 20 USDT no. Nti so hwe message na o drop ye na utim se bibia clear e wa high say or see receive $20 for your first time by binding your invitation code. Or see ubitim say $10 by completing daily tasks. Ni nyina no me kire o video no mu. Ene ne marketing kiti bi so a betua ma usika no akosoro. Inti invitation code no na eda screen no so no into be enter ashesa invitation code session ho na say referral code session ho no uwie na obada high say na no abebo send verification code on be send the code ako email no no akokopy sa code na be paste e was a session high say na uwie awabo create account and secure device no so. If it is done right, a hundred over bar, recovery code, ever high say, or say copy to clipboard into boss a copy amount, and I say, to me, see you, open so be screenshot. Nina a good mover, ever say, way. Follow bibia kama create account no bind the code a $100 or hwe ase ya code na be bind ye nintino be $20 na ewum no upe say we increase usika na very easy options na wo down high say no betimi abo tempo no so. Nti everyday biara say oba high say na say obebo light the lamp no so pe ubon say ubenya 50,000 SKC tokens abeka o tokens no ho. Nti uhwe soro no ma behu say me 250,000 SK tokens equivalent to $25. Kwambe nso biye na metimi afa so increase me earnings. Obebo share no so no screw up down. No obebo share no so. Unya bo share no so pe na o share na obi akura ankeleke so a wo de ane se obe share ubenya 50,000 SK tokens abeka o tokens no ho. Nti ubaba ka bo se o tokens no be 300,000 SKC tokens equivalent to $30. Aside that no ubetumi abo ho na no so uboso a ubohu se code e wo high say a copy code no na se wo de ma wadamfo ana obi bia na se nipa no so bind ya nipa no so benya $20 aye no so be on awaking e wo high say a no so be ma tokens no so akwa animu nti utum se platform no dwumadie ne nyaade bia din bia ubo tempo no so a utum se nipa dodo a participate no akwa animu ankasa na options na e wo down high say no be say hu chat uboso a utum se nipa pi e wo he ya o mo chat ya so opa bitu be di agro kakra e wo high say aside that na say ubo person no so a na uskruba down ubehu about us e wo high say na bibia e kire wadwena obetumi contact omo e wo high say no so bibia betumi e fine amount me minimum. Next question kwan ya obetumi afa so draw eno ye video a me drop into yan subscribe to my channel na wa subscribe we yan join me Telegram channels na links in our description section na wa join me WhatsApp group no send be ya me drop sa video na won sabeka more updates be drop I use tech the home of tricks.